Take a common phrase like, be careful. It's something we say all the time, right? But for a toddler, be careful is vague. It doesn't tell them what they're supposed to do. They may stop, feel uncertain, or even ignore it because they don't understand the instruction. Instead of saying, be careful, let's try giving clear, specific instructions like get down safely, or hold with your hands, or maybe use your feet to climb. These phrases provide toddlers with the exact actions we want them to take. Not only are you giving them direction, but you're also teaching them how to handle situations safely and confidently. Remember, toddlers learn by watching us. It's not just about what we say, but what we do. When we model safe behavior, like climbing down slowly ourselves or picking up toys carefully, they observe and imitate us. Intentional language for empowerment. Another key is to use carefully chosen, intentional, and empowering language. Instead of saying don't run, try saying walk, 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 or go slowly. This helps toddlers focus on what they should be doing rather than what they should avoid, as they will only do the action in the statement and tend to not understand the context of words like don't and not until they are much older. This shift from fear-based or unintentional vocabulary to more specific instructions allows our toddlers to feel more confident in their actions. And sometimes it's not just words, it's showing them exactly what to do. When you say get down safely, take a moment to demonstrate it for them. Show them how to move their feet carefully or use their hands to stabilize themselves. When we combine language with action, we're giving our children the tools they need to explore their world safely and confidently. So next time you're about to say something like, be careful or don't do that, pause and think about how you can be more specific, more positive, and more intentional with your words. By giving clear, empowering guidance and modeling safe behaviors, we're helping our toddlers learn how to navigate life with confidence. Choosing our words carefully isn't just about keeping our toddlers safe in the moment. It's about giving them the confidence and knowledge to make safe choices on their own. Thank you for watching, and remember, small changes in how we speak to our toddlers can make a big difference in their growth and understanding. See you next time.